So guys, once you're on this screen, for the first step, you want to click on Advanced Options, which will now take us to here. Now once we're here, we have three things that we can try. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, and then Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you do not see System Restore in this list, then you want to click on See More Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on System Restore, and now this will come up. Now, if you have any restore points enabled on your computer, then you want to click on Next, and then go back to your restore point. Hopefully this will now fix your problem. If you don't have any restore points, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. And now for the second method, we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once we're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now, and I click on Enter. And now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, we're now going to type in chkdsk C:/F//R, and I click on Enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you complete both those scans, now we're just going to close out of this. And now you're going to continue to Windows, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem. Now if that's still not working for you, then for the last method, you want to come back into this screen. Now once we're here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, and now you want to click on Reset this PC. If you don't have your files backed up, then you want to go with Keep My Files. If you do have your important files backed up, then you want to go with Remove Everything. So now you just want to reset your PC, and then this should now fix your problem.